Hey, welcome outside here at Karl Chevrolet. I'm Curtis Notenboom, and this month we want to talk to you about some of the new and improved changes for the 2.7 liter turbo in the new Silverado. Last month we talked about the 2.7 with our 2019 Silverado with one of our customers. This month we want to show you what's new, what some of the enhancements are for the new truck. Let's go on and take it for a drive. So this new 2.7 liter turbo motor has 430 foot-pounds of torque. It was 310 horsepower and still is 310 horsepower, but we've actually increased the torque 24%. And you can really feel that when you're pulling a trailer, when you're accelerating, things like that. When you're using your truck for truck purposes, that's when you need the torque. And it's not lacking for acceleration. It's actually faster 0 to 60 than the 5.3 liter V8. Got the opportunity to go out to Indianapolis and drive one of these trucks, pulling a trailer that was weighed down to 6,500 pounds, and drive it next to the 5.3 liter with the same payload, and to drive the differences. The 2.7 liter handled better, accelerated better, and sounded better under load. It was tighter, cornering, it braked better. Again, I think that's in part because the motor itself is lighter, which makes the overall truck and the overall package lighter. This particular motor, just like all Chevrolet and GM motors, goes through very rigorous testing. They put the engine into this bracket where it gets mounted, and then they shift it, they twist it, they rotate it all around to find out how long this motor will last. Well, this 2.7 liter motor was one of only 2 motors ever that GM has not been able to break. Well, it absolutely is a truck motor, and it's designed to last, and it will last. I always tell them, just come in and drive it. You drive the 2.7 liter turbo and you will like it. It drives great. I'm driving now. I've driven it quite a bit. It's quiet, it's smooth, it shifts well. It's a less expensive motor than the 5.3 liter. So it's more affordable.